So I'm back with one of your most favorite topics, best sneakers under rupees 5000. Now the last time I did this video, it was just an experiment to see if you guys like this kind of video where we scroll through sneaker websites trying to find the best deals that suits this budget. And looking at that, it's pretty clear that you guys loved it, and it also helped a lot of newbies to get into sneakers. Now before we start hunting, a lot of people commented on that video saying, "Bro, there are no more options. Bro, why did you not include XYZ websites in the hunt? Bro, these kicks are available at 40% discount on the website." Sadly, most people did not hear me, and nor did they read my pinned comment where I said that it was an experiment, and hence I kept the search narrow, including only super kicks and veg non-veg. So today I will be broadening the search a little bit, and we will look through more websites like the brand's own websites along with the usual super kicks and veg non-veg. By the way, thank you very much for the love on my previous video where I vlogged about my weekend as a trial to see if you guys really like me as a typical vlogger. I will definitely try to do that more often and grow that segment on this channel. For those who are new here, I will be making such videos for targeted budgets like 5k and 10k more often, as I understand that a lot of new guys are landing up here on my channel and they need updated videos to start their collections. So without taking any more of your time, let's get started. Alright, so here we are on Nike.com, and we will obviously not go to the sneakers section because the sneakers available there are never on discount, and we need the sneakers today to be discounted so that it fits our budget of 5000 rupees. So let's click on men, and you will see a tab here called top picks under 7500. Now these may include sneakers that are originally priced under that bracket, or also the sneakers that have been currently discounted. So I'm just going to go through and pick a couple of them before we move on to the next website. I think I like this one. It's called the Nike Court Vision Low. It looks like it's pretty much inspired from a couple of silhouettes from Nike, and the colors are pretty nice. So we'll go with this one. These are retailing at 4000 rupees only after discount. Now next we have a Nike Air Force 1 in the black and sort of a mint green or neon green colorway. Now these sneakers are going at a discount for only 5900 rupees, which is slightly higher than our budget today. But usually you don't find Nike Air Force 1s on sale. So I will definitely suggest you to go for this one in your budget. You might have to stretch a little bit, but that's okay. So let's put this aside. And lastly, on Nike.com, there is another one called the Nike Air Max 200. Obviously, they are not the 97s or the 90s, but the technology is similar. And there are a couple of colored options in that, one of which is going for under 5000 rupees. So you should also definitely maybe look at that one. So let's put this one aside. So that's about it. I don't think I'm going for any more sneakers under this section because most of them are over 6,000-7,000 rupees. And also the ones which are lower are pretty much similar to the silhouettes that we chose, and more on the athletic side. So these are all my picks from Nike.com which are currently on a discount. Now let's go ahead and see what's available on Reebok. Alright, so here we are on the Reebok website. Okay, so I think I'm going to skip this part. I do not see any good sneaker here, or maybe there are too many under the sales section, and which is why we are not able to find and shortlist some sneakers. Probably we'll get to see the better silhouettes in veg, non-veg and super kicks under the discount section. So let's skip the Reebok website for now and move on to the next one, which is obviously everyone's favorite, Adidas.com. Shop Adidas. Alright, so here we are on the Adidas website. We're going to go to new arrivals and men's footwear. So here I have sorted everything as per the budget of up to 5000 rupees, and I do not see anything special here. Now the reason why last time also I did not include such websites is because these websites have every single sneaker that they have ever sold and still in stock, and that shows up in your budget range that you select, and which is why I only go and see it as super kicks and veg non-veg, because they have only the recent and latest drops, and when those are discounted you can probably get them for 5000. So that was the idea behind this video, to get better sneakers on discount to fit into specific budgets. So I think I'm going to skip this and any other website, and I'm going to move straight away to super kicks and veg non-veg, because there is no point in hunting all of this. You all can go to the specific brand's website, put in your budget and find whatever you need for regular wear. But I'm not going to do that. So let's head straight over to veg non-veg and super kicks. So here we are on veg non-veg. So we're going to go to the markdown section. And here is where you see the kind of silhouette that we want to discuss in this budget. You got to understand, if you're looking for a sneaker for 3,000 rupees and they are one of the most basic silhouettes from say either Adidas or Reebok or anything else, now that is something I do not need to tell you about. Okay, my job to tell you is to get better sneakers and hunt them down if they are available on a steal that is under say 5,000 for today, and if and why they are worth at that price, and maybe you should buy them or not. So here we are, like I said, on Veg Non-Veg, and I see a couple of really good sneakers that have previously dropped, unfortunately not sold out, and are now available on a discount. So I'm going to pick a couple of them from here. So the first one I see here is the Puma Ralph Samson Low Vintage White, which is 5,600 rupees currently. Next, I see this nice Converse Batman collaboration Chuck Taylor All Stars, which are currently going for only 3,500 rupees. So I'm going to put this aside. Now next we have another one from Reebok, which is the Aztec 96 Reinvented, which is going for almost 50% discount at 4,500 rupees only. By the way, Aztec 96 is one of my favorite silhouettes from Reebok, so I'm going to put this one aside as well. We have a couple of them from Adidas, but all of them are going for over 7,500 rupees and they are nothing special, so let's not talk about those. So these are only the few that I would pick up from Veg Non-Veg discounted section. Now quickly let's head over to Super Kicks and hope to find some better sneakers over there. So we'll go to the sale section in Super Kicks, and it is already sorted by new arrivals. A lot of Asics right at the top. Now Asics is a pretty comfortable sneaker, which I have mentioned before also in some of the unboxings that I've done before. So I see one here which is the Gel Quantum Light, which is going at only 3,600 rupees, which is a great price. Then we have another one from Asics, the Gel Band White sneaker, which is going for again 4,200 and it looks pretty nice. So we'll put this aside as well. Okay, now next we have a couple of sneakers from Nike. So the first one is the Nike M2K Techno in the black and bright crimson colorway, which is usually sold at 9,000 rupees and are currently going at only 4,500. So which is a great deal. So I want to put this aside. Now next we have a couple of sneakers from New Balance. Now a lot of you guys have been asking me to make a video on New Balance. So I don't think a lot of them drop yet in India, but I am still in middle of my research. So as soon as that is done, I'll make a dedicated video on New Balance. But for now, you have a couple of them available at Super Kicks on discount, going for under 5,000 rupees. Like this one called the New Balance 247 Black, and also the 247 version 2 deconstructed in light blue colorway. Both of them look pretty sick, so I'm going to put these aside. Now similarly, I went through Myntra as well, although I had not decided to put that in the hunt for today, but I thought let's just quickly have a look and see if we can find something. So you have a lot of Pumas over there on great discount, like the Cell Alien, then the Puma RSX in I think the blue colorway. Then there is also a couple of Adidas Stan Smiths that are available on discount. So I'm not going to show you that in deep, but I thought is this better if I mention it, because if I don't do that, then a lot of you guys will be like, I did not talk about Myntra, so which is why I did that. So these were all the sneakers I could currently hunt down from a couple of websites. Now I will repeat myself once again. I am not going deep into the brand's own specific websites, because most of those platforms have pretty basic sneakers, and I don't think I need to talk about those to you, because you are smart enough to pick what you want. My idea of doing this video was only to pick out the best recent drops which haven't sold out and are not hyped, and then eventually go on for a discount. Now let me quickly go through all of them and I will give you my top 5 picks from all the sneakers that we could find today under rupees 5,000. So at number 5, I would put all the Puma sneakers, because I love all of them personally and I think they're great sneakers irrespective of what season we are in or what the newer drops are. So I'm talking about sneakers like the Cell Alien, the RS0, the RSX and the Style Riders. Now all of these are available at great discounts on Super Kicks and Myntra, and maybe even their own website. You'll have to go and check that for yourself. So that's number 5. At number 4, I would put the Reebok Aztec 96, because like I said, that is one of my favorite silhouettes from Reebok, because it looks really nice on feet and also they are pretty comfortable, available at almost I think 50% discount if I'm not wrong. You'll have to check that out again in the video. Moving on, at number 3, I would put the Nike M2K Techno. Again, it's a vintage silhouette. It looks pretty retro and pretty nice, especially in the black and the bright crimson colorway. So that is a great sneaker, obviously available at great pricing, so you should definitely check that one out. Now number 2, I would give it to the New Balance, although we haven't really spoken about New Balance as much on the channel. But I personally kind of like them and I would love to definitely try more of their silhouettes. But for now, at number 2, I would put the New Balance 247 version 2 in the deconstructed light blue colorway, which is available on discount on SuperKicks. Now lastly, at number 1, obviously we are stretching the budget a little bit. But if you can get any discount on Nike Air Force 1, it's always great. So I'll put the Nike Air Force 1 Low in the black colorway, which I showed you in this video, and it's available for only 5,900. So if you can stretch your budget little bit, it's a no-brainer. You should definitely go for that. Keep in mind, my picks are going to remain the same until I make the next updated video for the segment. About any newer drops that come in between such videos, I will cover it in our budget sneaker unboxing segment. Now before I end this video, all my awesome audience who have watched this video till here, thank you very much for your continuous support. And like I mentioned before, I will be making an exciting announcement for you guys, most probably this Friday, that is in the next video. It is majorly about regular giveaways, crazy steals for sneakers every week, and also exclusive content with behind the scenes, live streams, and more things that I do not talk about on this channel. Once again, thank you for your love and support, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.